Meanwhile, a warning to banana and plantain farmers to be extra vigilant as the Panama disease wiping out the crops worldwide is close to our shores. The disease was confirmed in Colombia this month. In the first of a two-part series, we explore the impact.
The fusarium, or banana wilt, more popularly known as the Panama disease, has the potential to wipe out the local banana industry.
Panama disease race 1 has reduced what was Gros Michel growing all over the country to Gros Michel growing in little pockets. It has the possibility to do just the same thing.
The devastation was in the 1950s and 60s. However, this strain, the tropical race 4, has been around since the 1990s. It has never made its way into the region until August 8 this year. Colombia became the first to have the disease, putting regional authorities on high alert. Most at risk to this T4 strain, the Cavendish variety, which is the most widely produced locally. This means the devastation could be just as bad, or even worse than before, leaving farmers worried.
It would be a total devastation if it come here. And banana is mostly small farmer deal with banana. Whether small or big, we will have a rough time.
Any resurgent would have a devastating effect on the general banana population. Most farmers, including myself, we do treat for the black Sigatoka strain of disease, and it is really costly.
However, if it comes,
there is no chemical control. There is nothing that you can spray, nothing you can treat to kill it.
But how does the disease spread?
It comes with people. It comes on equipment, it comes in soils, it can come on tools that you have used there and you have not disinfected, you haven't done anything to.
And with a recent announcement of plans to increase airlifts between Jamaica and Latin America, the risk of getting it here is even greater. But those aren't the only means of transmission. Even imported used cars could spread the disease. Countries such as Ecuador, which produces 5.5% of the world's bananas, have taken a few steps to prevent its spread. This includes a ban in the importation of all banana products.
So they have implemented they put mats in the airport. So if you come off the plane and you enter the airport, everybody's foot is disinfected automatically. They have started to fumigate or treat every container that comes in, because it can come on containers that have, containers are packed in the fields where we grow bananas. Containers are earth-moving equipment. China has it. We use earth-moving equipment that comes here. Those are considerations that need to be treated. We have used vehicles that come from that part of the world here, areas that do have it. Vietnam and all those areas have it. China. Those vehicles need to be treated.
But Ms. Coley says though we have a local mechanism, there are difficulties implementing them here. In part 2, we look at identifying the disease and what the authorities plan to do if the disease lands on our shores. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.